Intellectual extremist.
You gonna put it up? You gonna put it in there?
He got engaged?
Yeah, he got engaged.
Oh, look out, Riz.
He did some dope shit.
Come on, Riz.
RZA had
Did he?
he had a girl in the helicopter.
Showing how you proposed?
All that motherfucking dope shit.
Hey,
when you put a girl in a helicopter, she owe you her life. If she puts you in the Kobe Bryant mobile, if you put you in the motherfucking Kobe Bryant mobile,
say it twice.
That's real love. That's real love when a motherfucker put you in a helicopter. That ain't no motherfucker. Helicopter gas ain't cheap.
Hey yo, man, that backlash coming, bro.
Put you in a helicopter, you don't doubt his love at all. Goddamn. Do you ever been in a helicopter? Exactly.
Well, that nigga said Kobe Bryant mobile, y'all. Dude, you know how many people gonna be flipping out? You know how many people gonna be flipping out over this? Let's see what happens in the morning. Maybe, just maybe, it went past people's heads. Maybe nobody heard it, but this nigga said the Kobe Bryant. Yeah.